What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can probably hear, my car is behind me, well, behind you, warming up right now, and I am about to take it on a 45-minute drive, give or take. We are heading across the river out into the mountains, and I am going to go on this little hike and try and catch the sunset. I have my drone with me, so I will be flying that, get some cool shots. But let's get on the road, head out there, make the best of it. All right, so I just made it to the spot where I'm about to go up this trail. I parked my car over there in that little parking lot, but it is absolutely beautiful here. I never get sick of this view. It is a little hazy out though. I think it is from all the forest fires out west making its way over here to New York, but hopefully that'll go away for the sunset and we can get some good shots of that. But I am gonna go hike up this trail, then I'm gonna set up my hammock, pull out the drone, and see what type of shots we can get. All right, guys, so I made it to my spot. It was a little overgrown on the trail here, but that's good. That means a lot of people don't come here. So this is the rock garden. There are a ton of little designs that people come and make. Some of them you don't know what they are. Some of them you do know what they are. But the view is the best part. This is probably my favorite spot in the Hudson Valley. You just can't beat this. It's been a while since I've been up here, so it's pretty nice. But I am gonna go set up my hammock and some trees back here, pull out the drone and fly it around, and I'll show you guys everything up here. There's like a swing, there's a little like little hut, there's some bunch of like rock designs. I already said that, but there is not much like this. You can't really beat an amazing spot with a great view. So let me set up my hammock and grab the drone. So I got my hammock all set up. It is in the perfect spot with an incredible view, so I can just chill out and relax for a bit, let that sun go down. But while I am waiting for the sun to go down, I am gonna try and get this drone going. I haven't flown it in, I don't know, over a year, so hopefully it all works. I got to set up my phone with the app and stuff. Wish I brought some bug spray because there are a lot of bugs here. But let me get to the drone and see if we can get this thing up in the air. All right, so while the drone is updating, because I haven't used it in a while, I'm going to walk around here a little bit and show you guys around. So there's all this stone stacking and stone designs and stuff. Like here, we got a peace sign here. There's a whole bunch of it. I think that's a fire pit down there. Let's take a look real quick. Maybe not. Maybe someone just made a little circle here. But it wouldn't be a bad spot for a fire. So there's all this open space. And then up top here, we have this little hut thing that people have made with a window. Looks like they're having fires in there. That's a nice spot for a fire, unless it gets too big, because that could be an issue. And then, oh no, looks like people are graffitiing up here. That sucks. That kind of ruins it. But there's this swing here. I will hop on it and swing a little bit, and that pretty much wraps it up. These trees are a little bit in your way, but depending on the angle you have, there's a great view. So it is pretty nice up here. It's definitely my favorite spot in the Hudson Valley to come. Very relaxing. I will probably be coming here a lot more often. If you guys enjoy this type of video, I'll probably make a lot more of them. It's a lot more low-key and just relaxed rather than doing a bunch of car stuff and whatnot. But let me hop on the swing for a minute and then we'll go check the drone and see if we can fly it. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone shots. I hope you enjoyed me going on a nice and relaxing car ride slash hike, whatever you want to call it. If you guys enjoyed this type of vlog, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, leave a comment down below. I hope you guys did, though. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.